In this video, we will explore the disassembly of this 5-speed Kitchenaid blender. Here are the separate components of the blender. So first, there is the cap, which is made of polycarbonate and connects to the lid, made of PVC. This connects to the pitcher, made of polycarbonate. This connects to the motor housing, made of aluminum, which connects at the bottom here. That connects to the blender base, made of ABS black plastic, and here is the power cord, made of copper wires and thermoplastics. The first fastener is this Phillips 3/4 inch screw that comes with a washers and a separate spring for each of the two. They fit into this area and this area, and they join the motor housing to the pitcher stand. The next fasteners are these two 1.5 inch Phillips screws that come with washers. These connect here and here, and they connect this fan and armature assembly to the motor case. Next, we have this single Robertson 1/2 inch screw. This connects here, and it connects the cord to the housing through this hole here. Next, we have these two 5/8 Robertson screws. They connect here and here, and they join the motor case to the motor housing. Last, we have these 4 3/4 inch Robertson screws, and they join the motor housing to the blender base, and they connect in these 4 places on each part. And that fits on like so, and the screws would be in each of these holes. Now let's assemble the components. This is the cap that fits into the lid. The lid goes on top of the pitcher. Now let's set this aside and assemble the base. This is the blender base attaching to the motor housing. Flip that around. And the pitcher can sit right on top.